In this video, we will learn how to warp text in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to go over here to the text tool. It looks like a T. I'm going to click with my left mouse button and hold and then release. That creates the random text. I'm going to go over here and click the selection tool. And then I'm going to go over here. You should see this warp looking grid thing. It's right next to the area type tool. If you don't see this toolbar up top, go up to window and let's go all the way up to the top here and click on control. So now that this is selected, click this little down arrow here and say make with mesh, and this creates a mesh where you can warp it. Click OK. Go over here to the direct selection tool, click so that it only selects that one item. You can see that it's solid here and not solid on the other marks. So just sort of move it and you can make it look wavy or like a flag. It's a pretty cool effect. Okay. Now if you want to edit the text itself, if you click on it with the selection tool, you see these two icons over here. This will modify the mesh and this will modify the contents. Okay, and it pops up with a text box to tell you which one does which. That is it. That is how you make warp text in Adobe Illustrator.